Everybody is more stressed and anxious these days, especially during this pandemic. Today, I want to talk to you about how stress and anxiety affects your brain and body and how to use relaxation effectively. Hi and welcome to Clarity with Jadivan. Thank you so much for watching us today. Please like, share, and subscribe. In today's world, many factors affect and impact the person's anxiety and stressors. Waiting for a job interview, a project deadline
Money
is tight,
waiting
someone
for
I
an
love is
interview.
sick, COVID-19, legal issues, waiting for an important document,
Coming out.
isolation. What is the difference between stress and anxiety? Stress is often short-term and the triggers are known. The triggers of anxiety are often unknown, or they are due to multiple factors and multiple stressors happening at the same time or for a longer period of time. And therefore, the effect of those stressors is a long term. How does anxiety affect the brain and body? When the person goes under a stressful situation, the brain releases chemicals. Those chemicals impact the body and brain functions and reflexes, such as heart racing, shallow breathing, tunnel vision, speed, tummy aches, and perception. The person goes basically into the survival mode. When these reflexes goes for a longer time untreated, they start affect our functionality, such as sleep pattern, weight issues, heart issues and diseases, weakened immune system, memory issues, concentration issues, general mood, and other issues. These damages to the brain are mostly reversible. It takes efforts from the person using combination of practices, healthy diet, healthy practices, and sometimes medication. Today we'll talk about relaxation techniques. Not all techniques fits all people. Check out what are your needs and what fits you best. This is not a substitute for therapy. Please talk to your therapist regarding skills and tools that fits you and your needs. I encourage you as well to talk to your doctor about healthy diets and medication if you would want to. There are several techniques for relaxations. I encourage you to write down all the techniques that comes to your mind. You have even tried it before, or friends of yours have talked about it. Some of those techniques might be obvious and really easy. Examples for those techniques: lighting a candle, go for a walk, go for a run, snuggle with a pet, watch funny videos, taking pictures, look at photos of fun memories, doodling, coloring, swimming, gardening, writing, reading, cooking, and many more. See the link below for a full list of relaxation activities. We will talk today about one technique that has helped me in relaxing, calming myself, and often helping me fall asleep. Deep breathing combined with a song. First, choose a song, a story, text, poem, religious text. It is important that you are familiar with that song or text that you have chosen, and it brings you peace and relaxation. You don't want it to have any triggering in it or triggers your thoughts to think about stressors. You can either get that material ready on a device to play it, or visual to read it, or to recite it in your head. There are several deep breathing exercises out there. Choose what fits you best. Today I'm going to choose one that is easy for me to remember, the rule of 4. Start with positioning your body in a comfortable position. If you want to sleep, I recommend that you lay in bed. Close your eyes. Breathe in from the nose or the mouth, whatever is more helpful for you, for 4 seconds. Then hold your breath for 4 seconds and breathe out through the mouth for 4 seconds. Let's try it. After about 4 cycles of breathing in, holding, breathing out, you can start with the music, the song, the poem, or the text of choice, or you could recite it in your head. You will find yourself relaxed after a few minutes. The combination of breathing and reciting a text of your choice is very helpful. The deep breathing send messages to the brain to stop reducing and releasing the chemicals of the survival mode. The reciting of the text helps redirecting the trigger thoughts into peaceful thoughts. You might say that, well, I've tried this before. I tried deep breathing once or twice and it didn't work for me. Scientists and research said that the brain takes about 21 days to gain a new habit. Therefore, I encourage you to practice the skill for 5 minutes every day for at least 2 weeks. There's no harm from practicing a skill. And if that skill does not work for you, try a different one. Try until you find a skill that really helps and works for you. Today we talked about the difference between stress and anxiety, how they affect the brain and body, how to reverse the damage that anxiety impacted the brain and body, options of healthy practices, healthy diet, and medication, encouraging you to talk to your doctor and therapist, some healthy exercises and practices, the importance of practicing a relaxation skill. I hope you liked this video. This is Jadivan in Clarity with Jadivan. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.